Tosin and Chaloba. Tosin and Chaloba. And I put me for this condition. 2 days and I've not posted any video. See, not that much when I lose. Na Malayan medicine I go buy. Na Malayan medicine I go buy. I don't understand how a striker you allow an attacker to be romancing your nipple. You lose concentration. The pass ball go score, you go 10 minutes go. If you say na joking matter, you need lie down talk una for front top bench, flog nonsense comot for una body. How will you allow a striker to hold ball 2 to 3 seconds? The guy hold the ball till him opponent come, no be opponent, till him playmate come, him pass the ball, score goal. How? How? Na we just dey give person high BP every time person dey watch Chelsea ball. Na bad thing say person dey support Chelsea. Na bad thing. No be dat one carry me come here first. Wetin carry me come be say Enzo Maresca had a press conference and the good news there is that Liam Delap is back from injury. He's going to be featured in tomorrow's game against Wolf, which is the EFL Cup. So, but the coach has told us that he's not going to have a full-time match tomorrow because he's still in a recovery process, but he's going to play him. We don't know whether he's going to start or not, but he's going to play him. So he also mentioned something about Joao Pedro not being fit and Enzo Fernandez not being fit. So he said something about rotating of players. He doesn't have a first team players on the norms. We wouldn't know that one since when we signed the master. You don't get first team players. Try as much as possible to rotate the squad to avoid injury crisis. We may all think that maybe this thing doesn't make sense, but people will see the effect of it when it start making sense. Because we don't really get players now. Because if we start playing those players back to back before the injury will come, and I know say December period na there Premier League dey hard because if you see features back to back, if you don't have enough players, you go fall down. We might be having a crisis now, no worry. But thank God no be December period. Now why things dey sweep pass before December time. I think Kowe should be back. So you also mentioned something about what's it called the issue of this long tour of a thing. He said maybe if it's possible, if we fit swap Liam Delap to Roy Delap. In case you don't know, Roy Delap is Liam Delap's father. For those people who watch Roy Delap, in case you know what channel, the papa to Delap during that era of toxicity, that man will say he will carry ball, use him body, take clean, in towel clean the ball. In throwing, they be like corner kick. That time, if you are facing Stoke City, na only Chelsea na they know use that thing take score. If you are facing, na only Chelsea they know use that thing take score. Before, if I'm not wrong, if the man dey do him throwing, you go dey beg say maybe say na you no go even dey wan throwing. Instead of make throwing, come make the beg for corner kick because in throwing dey be like say na corner kick the man wan play. So that's Roy Delap for you. And during during his academic period, he was banned from doing a long throw because himself get out for him body. So they had to stop him from doing long throw, from doing a normal throwing. Maybe that is how they convert out the striker. So you see, so the man was saying, as the master was saying something about it. So well, I say, okay, out of jokes, maybe we go swap Liam Delap, which is in papa to his son. So you get so. What I'm trying to say is, Maresca, you need to talk to your boys. These people are losing concentration. Look at what's it called? Manchester City lost this weekend. And what's it called? Liverpool lost. Chelsea was supposed to pursue Arsenal now. They swore up and down. With this war, like how I want to start the Babele Arsenal now because to see shot on target for those people here now, you go sweat for them. And they are so fast this season, they are doing good. They have not conceded for the past 3 matches, if I'm not mistaken. We are want us they sweat for these people now. Defense, they get them. Attackers, they midfielders, surplus. As a fan that hate Arsenal, we are like you get the way you go the Babele person, you don't get choice until you support them. Because anything we talk against them, it always turn good thing. It always turn good thing. Enzo Maresca beg. If the only thing you do for me is now you follow Arsenal do gidi drag for that table, first team table. Even if you know when you try. You tried. But no let Arsenal win league with almost 10 points or so. You know if it happen. Because this season I never understand Man City. Neither Liverpool. That issue will be what they call what do they call him and the slot. If you say na so England take easy for him. You win Premier League for the first season, say na so it be. Now the second season don start now, na e don dey mumu himself. How many minutes? Don dey mumu himself. Don dey mumu himself. So Chelsea, Maresca, talk to your boys oo. Chelsea, Maresca, talk to your boys. Cowell, abeg you need to come back because na you we dey miss for dat defence. Na you we dey miss. Tosin wey be the senior man for dat club, like 28 years old, wey I feel say na him go dey do something for you. Okay, Chalobah na wey be the oldest player for Chelsea now, nothing come out from dat one. Reece James dey try on him own but I know say dat leadership matter, like he's not really the kind of person that gingers the players, which he's trying to do. I know he dey try for him own part but he never dey do am well for me. The only person I know say dey do dat thing now na Cowell. Say Cowell be Chelsea captain God, see una just wey Cowell dey fight before, na so dat guy dey fight, na go give dat guy space. Na go give dat guy space. Enzo Maresca, please talk to your boys. See, I no wan go wetin happen to last season make repeat again because we dey like dey put ourselves for tight corner as a Chelsea. Na so we go dey fight for top four, dey fight. Na so we do against Pochettino, come dey fight for Conference League and Europa League. But the two come dey fight for, imagine a whole Chelsea. Last season come dey fight for top four, the Champions League. Last season, imagine. Enzo Maresca, I beg in the name of God, please talk to your players. Talk to your players.